Hey Harris, my name's Max. This is that video that I promised you from the Facebook group. I'm going to show you how you can improve and bring in more clients through an online presence. So I see that this is your Facebook group or your page, and I really like how it's easy to message and contact you, and that's what we want. I'm going to use a website that I built for a different client just because I'm not able to find yours on here. But just to kind of show you how it works, I'm going to use this one as an example. So this is the website that I built, and it's currently ranking on the first page in Tallahassee for painters. And the way that I did that was these three main points. Content on the home page, citations, and then backlinks. And I'm going to go through each one of those with you right here. So Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page, and in those words you want keywords. And I threw these keywords into this Ahrefs, which is this tool that I pay for, and it shows me that 260 searches every month are happening for Tallahassee painters. So that's a lot of people actively searching for what we're offering. So if you can take these keywords and implement them into your website along with 1,500 to 2,000 words, then you're going to become a lot more relevant to the search terms that Google has people searching for. And then you're going to be able to rank, number one and in this map pack, which is how people are going to contact you. So the next thing is backlinks. And I used Ahrefs again to kind of show you this. I took the URL of this site and I threw it into Ahrefs, and it shows me that I have 310 backlinks coming from 80 different websites. And what a backlink pretty much is a different website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. And Google takes note of that. And so the more of those you have and the more relevant they are to painting and contracting, then you're going to start showing up in those search options for your specific niche in your area, because Google tracks all of that. The third and final thing is citations. And what a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, like Yellow Pages, Yelp, BBB, etc. You just create an account with them and you can start creating, getting your address and all that verified. What that helps is whenever you create a Google My Business page on Google, then if you get enough citations to where you have more citations than your competitors, then you're going to outrank them in this map pack, which gets about 65% of this search volume. So 65%, that's over that's right at 100 and, over 100 clicks every month from people that are in need of the service that you offer. So in order to show you an example, this is Superior Painting here in Tallahassee. They have like 40 citations, so they're pretty much always going to be right here in this map pack. And they just have their name, their address, and their phone number, and it's placed throughout like 40 different directories on the web. So that pretty much sums this up. I hope that this was informative to you. I'll reach out tomorrow right about this time in the earlier morning just to kind of see what your thoughts were on this. So I do hope it was informative and helpful, and thank you for your time.